Today I'm making a fried pound cake with a cheesecake topping. First I'm going to make the pound cake, so I'm going to add 1 box of vanilla pound cake mix into a bowl. Next I'm just following the directions on the back of the box, so I'm adding an egg, water, and melted butter. Then I'm just going to mix that up until everything is combined. Now I have a greased loaf pan. I'm going to add the batter into the loaf pan and then bake this at 350 for 30 to 40 minutes. While the pound cake is baking, I'm going to make the cheesecake topping, so in a bowl I have 4 ounces of softened cream cheese. Next I'm going to add 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. Then I'm going to mix that up until everything is combined. Next I'm slowly going to add 1/4 cup of heavy cream and mix that up until everything is combined. Now the pound cake is cooled, I have it on a plate and I'm going to slice it up. Next I have a fry pan with some melted butter in it. On medium heat I'm going to add the pound cake and let it cook for a few minutes. Now that it's been a few minutes, I'm going to flip over the pound cake and let it cook on the other side. Now that the pound cake is done, I put it on a plate. I'm going to add a few dollops of the cheesecake filling. Lastly, I'm going to add some diced strawberries. Here's an up-close look of the fried pound cake with cheesecake topping.